Here we are, Sean and I are taking a little bike ride this morning. Well, it's time to go out and meet our tour guide for today's activity. We were picked up by our driver and guide and driven for about an hour to the Mae Wang region, which is south of Chiang Mai. So we're stopping here at a local market on the way to the elephant camp to pick up some lunch for our rafting trip this afternoon. This little thing flapping is to keep the bugs away when it's hot, I guess. Here's some red and green curry. Here's some meat here for people to buy. Here's some local fish. All kinds of vegetables. Like for lunch, she's putting rice with an egg, and she's wrapping it in a banana leaf. Here we have a bunch of fruit. Looks like we're getting some dragon fruit here to have with our lunch. Here's our sack lunches we're going to have later. Looks like we're going to get some steamed custard with pumpkin for dessert. So we stopped at the elephant camp, but the elephants were out on a trek, so instead we decided to go do a hike up to a waterfall and come back to the elephants later. But on the way we stopped at this school. We're way up in the mountains, way up. It was a fun drive to get up here. And I guess we're gonna stop and say hi to these kids at the school. So we're on a hike now that's gonna take us through this local village. So we'll get to experience life up here in the hills, and should be fun.
Oh, you have like the baby 1 year old? Yeah, they have a fire like that for early mornings. Stay warm.
a small elephant camp where we were able to meet and feed small elephants, learning about their care and conservation. Here you go. Who wants one? Who wants one? Hang on. Back of this pickup truck, they're taking us upstream for the bamboo rafting down the river. Here we are on the raft, getting ready to go down. We took a bamboo rafting trip along the Mae Wang River that offered a tranquil escape into nature. Surrounded by lush forests and scenic views, it allowed us to experience the beauty of rural Thailand while gently floating down the river. We're stuck on the rocks. And we broke loose from the rocks. Now we're heading down these rapids. Nice, man.